Are you ready to make a move on VERB Technology Company stock? Join us as we dive deep into the world of VERB Technology Company. Our initial report was just the beginning, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest insights. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Brace yourselves for some shocking news. Since September 18, 2023, our system has deemed VERB Technology Company as a sell candidate with a score of -1.74. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. You won't believe your eyes. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping fact: the stock suffered a significant loss of -24.11%. Can you imagine? That's an average loss of -4.02% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. Welcome, viewers, to an exciting update on the stock market. Today, we have an interesting opportunity for you to consider. Picture this: the stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a wide and horizontal trend in the short term. Now, historically, this situation has often signaled an ideal time for savvy investors to make their move and seize a buying opportunity. However, there's a twist. If the stock were to break through the lower trend line at $0.724, it would trigger a powerful sell signal. Brace yourselves because this could potentially indicate a significant shift in the overall trend. Now, let's dive into some intriguing figures. Based on the current 3-month trend analysis, there's a projected 1.1% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there's a chance for a return ranging from an impressive -13.92% all the way up to a staggering 281.52%. But wait, there's more. If we zoom out and consider the 12-month trend, things get even more exciting. Our analysis suggests a whopping 79.93% change over the next 12 months. Can you imagine the potential returns? They range from a promising 53.27% to a mind-boggling 594.68%. That's like striking gold in the stock market. So, what does all this mean for you, dear viewers? Well, if these trends continue, we could see the stock's price reaching an impressive range of $1.30 to $5.90 in just 1 year. Now, that's something worth considering, isn't it? Welcome back to VERB Technology Company's Daily Update. Today's headline: a wild roller coaster for VERB Technology Company Incorporated stock price, swinging between $0.790 and 92 cents on Monday. The stock price of VERB Technology Company Incorporated experienced a slight dip of -3.41% on Monday, September 25, 2023, falling from 88 cents to 85 cents. This marks the 6th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock exhibited significant volatility, swinging by 15.82% between a low of $0.790 and a high of 92 cents. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 9 of them, resulting in a total decrease of -43.71%. Interestingly, the decrease in trading volume coincided with the stock's decline, which can be seen as a positive sign. On the last day, trading volume decreased by -543,000 shares. In total, approximately 506,000 shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $430.41 thousand. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price recorded was $3.45, while the lowest price hit $0.0762. Currently, the stock price sits 75.36% below its 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $2.60. Furthermore, it is 95.46% below the all-time high on February 15, 2019, where it reached $18.71. Quite a significant drop, indeed. Breaking news: analyst ratings for VERB Technology. Get ready for the latest updates on analyst ratings for VERB Technology. In a recent report on Wednesday, May 18, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave VERB a equal weight grade with an initialize action. But that's not all. On the same day, Morgan Stanley also presented VERB with an underweight grade and a hold action. Now, let's rewind to Tuesday, June 29, 2021. Ascendient gave VERB a buy grade with an initialize action. Welcome back, folks. Today, we have some interesting insights on VERB Technology Company's stock rating. Brace yourselves, because analysts have given VERB Technology Company a general neutral rating. But wait, it gets more exciting. The PE ratio has been rated as strong buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also a strong buy. However, hold your horses, as the analysts have given a sell rating for return on investment. Stay tuned for more updates on VERB Technology Company's stock. Don't miss out. Hey there. Welcome to this exciting update on VERB Technology Company. Let's dive into the signals we've identified for VERB Technology Company. Unfortunately, there are few positive signals to report at the moment. The stock is facing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, painting a negative forecast for the future. Additionally, the relation between these signals indicates a general sell trend, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the upside, we can expect some resistance at the $1.01 and $1.13 levels. If the stock manages to break through these levels, we might witness some buy signals. It's worth mentioning that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 5, 2023, resulting in a significant -73.44% fall. The situation suggests a further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. In addition, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. On a positive note, the volume and price showed a parallel decrease during the last trading day, hinting at a technical positive trend. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience low liquidity at times, which increases the general risk associated with it. Stay tuned for more updates on VERB Technology Company. Remember, it's always important to stay informed and make wise investment decisions. Hey there. Get ready to dive into some interesting signals. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal. It's a sell signal. Next up, we have the pivot signal. It's also a sell signal, and it occurred 15 days ago. Now, let's talk about the Bollinger signal. It's a buy signal, and it happened 27 days ago. Pay attention to the short-term moving average signal. It's a sell signal, and it occurred 12 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal is a sell signal that happened 9 days ago. And last but not least, let's consider the relation between the short and long moving averages. It's a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. If we take a look at the 12-month chart, here's what we find. The short moving average signal is a sell signal that happened 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signal is also a sell signal, and it occurred 11 days ago. And once again, the relation between the short and long moving averages gives us a buy signal that occurred 34 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more exciting signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VERB Technology Company. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume at $0.767 and $0.735, acting as a support for the stock. However, it's important to note that there is always a risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If the current support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of VERB Technology Company Inc., the next support levels are at $0.767, $0.735, and $0.715, based on accumulated volume. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. VERB Technology Company Inc. is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility and periodic low trading volume. This means that the stock can experience significant movements during the day. In fact, in the last day alone, it had a price range of $0.125, which accounts for a 15.82% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 16.07%. Welcome back, traders. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for VERB Technology Company. But before we jump in, let's quickly go through some essential fundamental data that you need to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is super important as it measures the current share price in relation to the per-share earnings of the company. Now, if you come across a negative P/E ratio, it means the company is either facing losses or is in a bit of a financial slump. Don't worry, it happens to even the most established companies. However, if a company consistently maintains negative P/E ratios, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and even possible bankruptcy risks. So, keep an eye out for that. Now, let's move on to some exciting news. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is just around the corner, scheduled for Nov 13, 2023. This is a date you definitely want to mark on your calendars. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at an impressive $0.600. Now, why is this important? Well, because these numbers can have a significant impact on the stock prices. So, make sure you're keeping a close watch on them. Are you ready to dive into some exciting day trading opportunities with VERB Technology Company? Picture this: an upward trend is on the horizon, and the first resistance level for VERB Technology Company is at 88 cents. If you're not in the game yet, hold on tight and wait for this level to be conquered before jumping in. For those who already have a stake in this stock, pay attention. This could be your chance to make some quick wins with swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. Don't worry, every dip has its potential. VERB Technology Company encounters its first support level at $0.767. If this support level holds strong, it could be the perfect entry point for you to anticipate a powerful rebound. Are you curious about the latest insider trades at VERB Technology Company? Well, let me tell you that the combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is neutral. But here's where it gets interesting. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. Just a couple of days ago, on June 21st, Bond Philip J. made an insider buy of a whopping 81,441 shares of stock options, right to buy. And not to be outdone, on the same day, MOY Edmund C. also conducted an insider buy, acquiring 81,441 shares of stock options. The buying spree continued as Hammerschmidt Judith Lin jumped in with an insider buy of 81,441 shares of stock options. Wait, there's more. Geiskopf James P. decided to join the party and bought 162,883 shares of stock options. But that's not all. Geiskopf James P. also made another insider move, purchasing 9,854 shares of common stock. Now, let's analyze the insider power. Based on the 39 most recent insider trades, our calculations show a positive insider power ratio of 58.969. In total, insiders have bought 3,613,219 shares and sold 699,364 shares in the last 39 trades. Hold on tight. We've got some not-so-great news about this stock. Brace yourself because we didn't set a stop-loss. Are you wondering if VERB Technology Company stock is worth buying? Let's take a look at the current state of VERB Technology Company Incorporated. It seems like the company has been facing several negative signals and is currently experiencing a downward trend. Based on this, our analysis suggests that the stock might continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. In fact, we have recently revised our evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. However, when we consider the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price might be undervalued. So, what can we expect for trading on Tuesday, September 26th? We anticipate that VERB Technology Company will open up with a slight increase of $0.0017, starting at 85 cents. Hey there! Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, let's talk about an important disclaimer. Remember, trading comes with risks, and it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investments. Welcome, fellow investors. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks. We want to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to drop a comment and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? We're eager to know. And hey, if you enjoy our content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It's time for successful trading, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Wishing you a fantastic day from the entire team at StockInvest.